Right, students? Good morning, everybody. So the last class we discussed about the types of function or kinds of functions. What we completed in the previous class, what is meant by function, what is meant by relation, what is meant by image, and what is meant by pre-image, domain, codomain, range, and the function. Kinds of functions are one function, onto function, into function, many one function, next bisective function, next constant function. Till that we completed the last class. Now we will go through one more type which is called an identity function. So the next type is identity function. What is meant by identity function? So identical, the elements are identical. That means before that we are doing a function f is mapping from a to b, like that, or x to y, like that we are taken. Now onward, now in this problem or in this definition, we will assume that a function f is mapping from a to a, same set to same set. Understood, students? A function f is mapping from a to a, defined by f of x is equal to x for all x belongs to a. A is nothing but a domain. Such function is called as an identity function. Identity function usually denoted by I under the set a. So that's why I of a, I subscript a, we will denote it as. Now, once again I will repeat it. A function f is mapping from a to b is said to be an identity function. F of x is equal to x for all x belongs to a. Clear, students? So, identity function is denoted by I subscript a, I of a. That means identity function is defined on a particular set a. So, in identity function, if you observe, first set, second set will be the same elements. Obviously, domain, codomain, range, all are equal in the identity function. That's why number of identity functions is possible only one. Number of identity function from a to a is only one. What is graph of identity function? Graph of identity function is passing through the origin, the line which represent a straight line passing through the origin, making 45-degree angle with positive x-axis. Clear, students? So this is the description of identity function. Now we will see that the function f is mapping from a to a is said to be identity function. F of x is equal to x for all x belongs to a. It is denoted by I subscript a. See the students, f of x is equal to x. I told this x is input, f of x is output. Output is nothing but range. Input is x. So the domain is x. Also range is also x. That's why domain and range is equal, and a to a means codomain also equal. So I can give it an example. See here. So this is a function from a to a. Both are the same sets. F is mapping from a to a. The elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also a to a means 1, 2, 3, 4. F of x is equal to x. Suppose if you are taken 1, there must be output also 1. 2, output also 2. 3, output also 3. 4, output also 4. F of x is equal to x. You are taken 1, 1. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4. Identical. The elements should be identical. Then only identity function is possible. How many ways can I write here? Only one way. 1 with 1, 2 with 2, 3 with 3, 4 with 4. That's why identity function I of a is equal to set of ordered pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 4, 4. By this what we concluded, range is equal to codomain is equal to domain. So number of number of identity functions from A to A is 1. Only one function is possible in that. Now the graph of identity function. So if you draw the graphical test or graph of identity function, represent a straight line, passing through horizon and making an angle 45 degree with a positive direction of x-axis. So this is the description about identity function. Students, understood? Right. Now we will go through one more function, equal functions. This is very, very important, PU level as well as objective level. What is meant by equal functions? Equal functions. When we will say that two functions are said to be equal. For example, f is a one function, another function is g. When we have to say these two are equal? Very simple. You have to remember two things in your mind. If two functions are said to be equal, if and only if they are defined same domain. Second one, their range must be same. Once again I will repeat it. If two functions f of x and g of x are said to be equal functions, if and only if they must define on same domain. Second one, f of x is equal to g of x. That means both ranges are same and both domains are same. Then only it is possible. If one case is possible, second case is not possible, we cannot say that they are not equal functions. Students, equal functions. I told if two functions are said to be equal, if and only if the first condition is they must have same domain, they must define same domain. Second one, the range must be equal both of. Range means nothing but if a function is f of x and the other function is g of x, both ranges must be the same. See that I will define it. F is mapping from A to B and f of x is equal to and g are two functions said to be equal if they must define first condition same domain. Second condition, f of x is equal to g of x for all x belongs to A, for all x belongs to domain. I will explain with an example. For example, here given two functions, f is mapping from A to B, or otherwise you can take R to R. f of x is equal to x plus 2. Another function g is defined from R to R. G of x is equal to x square minus 4 by x plus 2. These are the two functions given. So you know that this is a rational function. It will be defined when the denominator is not equal to 0. Clear or not, students? Yes, that's why here R to R is not defined in this function. You have to take R minus 2 to R minus, or R minus 2 to R. It is defined the function. Now you can see that this domain is R minus 2, this domain is R. So domain of F is not equal to domain of G. So we don't call it as a equal functions. For example, this domain is redefined. How it is redefined? F is mapping from A to B, f of x is equal to some x plus 2, and g is mapping from A to C, f g of x is equal to some x square minus 4 by x plus 2. Now you can see that they must have the same domain. So domain of f is equal to domain of g. First condition satisfied. Second condition, we have to prove that f of x and g of x is equal. So f of x is x plus 2, but g of x is not x plus 2. You can simplify this function x square minus 2 square upon x plus 2. X square minus 2 square means a square minus b square. I can write x plus 2 into x minus 2 upon x plus 2. X plus 2, x plus 2 gets cancelled. We will get g of x is x minus 2. Is it clear, students? So f of x is also x minus 2. In that case only f of x, g of x both are equal. Then we can define the function in that range also. So now f of x and g of x both are equal functions. So you should remember, very important thing is, if two functions, they must define in the same domain, or they must have the same domain and the range is the same, then only we will say that those two functions are equal function, otherwise they are not equal functions. Clear, students? So now we will discuss, based on these definitions, PU level one exercise will be there, 1.1. After that, few more types, other kinds of functions also there. Later we will discuss about that. So very important thing is, in PU level, always they will ask 1 1 onto bisect 2. Show that a function is 1 1 or not 1 1. Show that it is onto, not onto. Show that it is neither 1 1 nor onto. Show that it is a bisect 2. Like they will ask. So PU level, very important one is 1 1 onto bisect 2 for this exercise. So you remember it very clearly, the definitions all. Then only we can solve the problems very easy. Okay, students? Right, thank you. Right, students? Now we will solve the functions topic, exercise 1.2. Relations 1.1 is completed. Now we completed the introduction of a few part based on 1.1. Now I will solve the 1.2 exercise. In that, the first problem is given. Show that f is mapping R0 to R0. Defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x. Is 1 1 and onto, where R0 is the set of non-real numbers, non-zero real numbers. R0 means non-zero real numbers. That is one part. Another part is there. Is the result is true if the domain R0 is replaced by n with codomain being the same as R0. So two conditions are given. First I will solve the first condition. What is first one? Show that. That means you have to prove. What we have to prove? F is mapping from R0 to R0. The function is mapping from one set to another set. What is that set? R0. R means you know very well, it is a real numbers. In the real numbers, R0 means except 0. Understood, students? We have positive real numbers, negative real numbers, including 0 also. They are excluded 0. That is the meaning of R0. In your textbook, it is denoted with R star. That is nothing but they are given R star is a set of non-zero real numbers. That means all real numbers except 0. That we can denote it as like this also. R minus set of 0. All real numbers excluding 0. 0 and bit baribeku. Your interval lo baribodankore. Minus infinity to 0, union 0 to plus infinity. That means only except this 0. Minus infinity to till 0, not including 0. Again 0 after to plus infinity. That we can write R minus 0. So that is given set. First you have to understand this. In this domain and range, domain and codomain both are same. And instead of f is mapping from A to B, this is A and this is B. This is a domain and this is codomain. And here given the function, one function is defined. What is that function? F of x is equal to 1 by x. I think you are familiar in the first PU, some types of functions. You remember this function is also there. It is called reciprocal function. Reciprocal function. So what is graph of reciprocal function? Why? Because in first PU you are familiar with some graphs, quadratic function, especially quadratical f of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to x cube, modulus function, signum function, greatest integer function, constant function, identity function, all graphs you are familiar in the first PU. Correct or not, students? Like we have the reciprocal function also in that. Reciprocal function means you will get like this. Here you can see that this line is looking like to merge with positive y-axis. This line is looking like to merge as positive x-axis. Actually you are getting the graph like this. It is looking like to merge, but it won't merge. That's why the graph where it cuts the x and y axis at infinity place, those are called as asymptotes. The intersection point of curve and a line where they intersect at infinitive distance. We don't know that where it intersect, but just we will say that they are intersecting at infinitive distance. Why? Because they are looking like, moving like and intersecting in somewhere. That time this line is asymptote for this graph. So like this you are getting f of x is equal to x square, f of x is equal to 1 by x graph. This is f of x is equal to 1 by x. This is one branch and this is one branch. Both are together 1 by x only. When you are taking input means x-axis values are positive, you are getting this branch. X is negative, you are getting this branch. Both is together as f of x is equal to 1 by x. Here you remember it. You can take any value except 0 on x-axis. Before 0, after 0, but except 0. Why? Because if you take 0 here, it is a rational function. You know that what is meant by rational function. F and g are the two functions. A function can be expressed in the form of f of x by g of x, where g of x is not equal to 0. Such functions are called rational function. Rational function is exist only for denominator non-zero. Denominator is here x. This is f of x function. This is g of x function again. And already it is given in f of x, you can take it is h of x, it is g of x. So a function can be expressed again the two functions f of h of x by g of x, where the g of x is not equal to 0, then only this function is defined. We have to discuss only defined conditions. So it is 0, it won't define. That's why they eliminated from the domain is 0. That's why R naught means except 0 you can take any value. Then only this function is defined. Those are all you have to remember in your mind. Then only we can solve easy the problem. Clear, students? So you can take x place any value. X is nothing but input. Input is nothing but domain. Domain x input will be always same. Whatever the input if you give it, there must be output. If you are giving input, your output is not defined. What is the use? No use. That's why that value you should not take in the domain. So if you take in the domain x is equal to 0, you don't exist a output. That's why except that value you have to take all values. That's why they are eliminating 0 from there. Non-zero real numbers they are taking. Non-zero real numbers means except 0. Why? Because real numbers are divided into three parts. R plus, R minus, R plus and 0. What is R minus? Minus infinity to 0. What is R plus? 0 to infinity and 0. All the union we will call as real numbers. In this, now we are eliminating this part. Except this, you have to take both parts. You can assume any value in this set except 0. That is the meaning. Clear, students? Why they are giving the exception for 0? Because if you put 0 in this function, it is not defined. That's why they eliminated 0. Clear, students? Now we have to prove it is a 1, 1 and onto functions. We have to prove it is a 1, 1 and 2 function. Very easy, easiest question. First you have to recall the definitions, then only you can define easily. So first I want to check the 1, 1 function. I want to check the 1, 1 function. What is the definition of 1, 1 function? F is mapping from A to B is said to be 1, 1 function. Distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. Distinct elements of A have means if you are giving domain different elements, you should get the output different, will not get the same output. That is 1, 1 function. Clear, students? Just you see here the problem. I will solve it, then you understood easy. Solution, students. F is mapping from R0 to R0 and defined by f of x is equal to 1 by x. I will give two types of definitions. First one, according to 1, 1, you are consider all values of R0. R0 means except 0, all positive numbers, all negative numbers. If you substitute in x place, you will get all different numbers only. You will not get the same number. Correct or not? See that I am substituting 1, 1 by 1, 1, 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0.53, 1 by 3, 0.33, 1 by 4, 0.25. Like so many numbers are there. All numbers cannot possible to substitute there. That's why these kind of cases we will use the mathematical definition. What is mathematical definition of 1, 1? As x1, x2 belongs to set A, that means in domain, that means in R0, there exists f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that implies x1 is equal to x2. Or f of x1 is not equal to f of x2, that implies x1 is not equal to x2. That is the mathematical definition. So if the function is satisfied, that means if 1, 1 function is satisfied, that means it will be a 1, 1 function. Need not to give an example. You have to write by using mathematical definition. If it is not 1, 1, you have to give with an example like relations. If it is not a relation, if it is not a particular relation means reflexive, symmetric, transitive. If it is not a reflexive, why it is not reflexive? You have to give with an example. Like if you have to say it is not 1, 1, why it is not 1, 1? You have to give an example. It is a 1, 1, need not to give an example. You have to go through the definition. What is mathematical definition of 1, 1 function? Just now I told we are picking two different elements from the domain. What is domain here? R0. That's why I am writing as x1, x2 belongs to R0. I am picking two elements from R0. Mathematical definition. F of x1 is equal to f of x2, that implies x1 is equal to x2. This we are going to prove. If we proved it, it is 1, 1 function. You know that f of x. How you will get f of x1? Simple. Where is x? There you are giving input x1. Let I am substituting f of x1 is equal to f of x2. That means where is x, there is x1. You are getting 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2. Did you understood this step? See, students, if it is a x 1 by x, we need x1. Why? Because we are taking two different elements in the domain. If it is x1, x place is x1. Here also x place is x1. 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2. So can I write it is by cross multiplication? x2 is equal to x1, that is equal to x2, x1 is equal to x2. What is mathematical definition? If you take f of x1 is equal to f of x2, you should prove x1 is equal to x2. Not only that, you can take x1 is equal to x2, you can prove f of x1 is equal to f of x2 also. It is a reversible reaction. You take this and you can prove this. Otherwise, you take this and you can prove this. Not only equal to condition, I told one more also. You can take not equal to, you should get not equal to only. Clear, students? As f of x1 is not equal to f of x2, that implies x1 is not equal to x2. You have to prove. That is also correct. It is also 1, 1 function mathematical definition. Clear, students? Equal to or not equal to. If you prove this, That means if you take this condition and you have to prove this, or otherwise if you take this condition, you have to prove this. Both is okay, either this or this, any one of them is okay. We can say that f is 1 function. Clear, students? Is it clear? I told with numerical examples also. Numerical examples means we have infinite numbers. We have to take infinite numbers and check it. Like that also we can do. If you give different input, will not get the same output, correct or not? Can you say that one number? Two numbers, if you are giving same input, different input getting same output? No possibilities. That's why it is a 1 function. We proved by using definition. Finally you will write hence f is a 1 function. 1 other name or injunction. This is other name for injunction. Sometimes they will confuse in the examination. Prove that f is injunction. That's why you have to remember the alternate names. 1 function or injunction. Clear? So whenever you are going to prove the 1 function, you just recall the definition. You remember it. When it is a 1 function, clearly by looking it is a 1 function, need not to give an example. You have to write directly definition. Understood, students? Next one, we have to prove the onto function. I told graphical test for 1 function. What I told graphical test? If you draw a line parallel to x-axis, it cuts only 1 point. Correct only? It cut at most 1 point. Then it is a 1 function. Correct or not? So I told it is a reciprocal function graph. Do you remember here also? If you draw a line parallel to x-axis, it cuts at most only 1 point. Correct or not? So directly we can say it is a 1 function. Clear, students? Right. Now I will check the onto function. What is meant by onto? You have to remember it. F is mapping from A to B is said to be onto function. For every element in the set B, there exists at least one pre-image in set A. That means according to our problem, F is mapping from R0 to R0. For every R0 element, that means for every real number except 0, there exists at least one pre-image in the R0. Is it possible or not? Yes, certainly it is possible. Suppose in that definition you cannot understand, you go for another definition. Range is equal to codomain. Range and codomain must be same, then it is called onto. It is very easy to prove that range is equal to codomain. Now I am checking it onto function. See the students, f is mapping from R0 to R0 and f of x is equal to 1 by x. This is given. Now range of f, what you will get? Range means f of x only. You put any input here, you will get outputs all, because already it is non-zero. You are getting all real numbers. Correct or not? Minus infinity to 0, or otherwise you can write directly minus infinity to 0 union 0 to infinity. Otherwise we can write it is R0 will come. Understood, students? Range means f of x value. When you will get f of x? If you substitute x values. What we have to substitute in x place? X place we have to substitute R0. R0 means all real numbers except 0. If you put all real numbers except 0 in x place, again you are getting all real numbers only except 0. Correct or not? All real numbers if you give it, again you are getting all real numbers only. Clear, students? So range is again all real numbers except 0. What is codomain here? Codomain means I told it is always domain, it is codomain. What is codomain in this function? R naught. Range and codomain both are equal. So therefore range is equal to codomain, which is equal to R naught. Hence R is hence F is onto function. What is onto other name, students? Onto function or surjunction. Surjunction. So F is both 1 1 and onto functions. So I told it is also graphical test. Can you remember? Draw a line parallel to y-axis. Draw a line parallel to y-axis from each point in the codomain. Codomain means R naught. So if you take the graph, each point in the codomain, that means except 0 point. You can draw all lines. It must be intersect at least one place. At least one place. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್లో ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಒನ್ ಕన్నా ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ಲೂ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್లో ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ. మరి 1 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಟ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಒನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್లో ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ 0 ಪ್ಲೇಸ್లోನೈనా ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. If it intersect, draw a parallel to x-axis, it intersect at most one point, it is called 1 1 function. It is at least one point. If you extend this graph, it is infinite. It is cutting at least one place. It is also onto function. We can say by using graph. Clear, students? So like this, we have to explain the given function is 1 1 and onto. This is one part. So still more there, one more part. What is given? See here, is the result is true if the domain R naught is replaced by n. Domain place they are replacing instead of R naught is n, with codomain being the same as R naught. Codomain will be the same, but domain only they changed it. Whether you are getting is it on one and is it 1 1 and on 2, you have to check the result. I will check it here. Now the function is f is mapping from n to R naught. F of x is equal to 1 by x. Now I am going to check as is it 1 1 function or not. You just remember it, 1 1 means different inputs, different outputs. F is mapping from A to B is said to be 1 1 function. No two distinct elements of A, two different elements of A have different images in B. Suppose n is n, this is natural number. Now we are taking not real numbers. In this, what you will get here? So input is x value is equal to n, that is equal to 1 2 3 and so on. All numbers if you substitute, you will get different outputs only, correct or not? 1 if you substitute, 1 answer, 1 by 1. 2 substitute, 1 by 2, 0.5. 3 substitute, 1 by 3, 0.33. 4 substitute, 0.25. So different elements, different outputs only, will not get the same output, correct or not? So now as per mathematical definition, 1 1. As x1, x2 belongs to A, that implies f of x1 is equal to f of x2, that implies x1 is equal to x2. That we are going to prove. What is f of x1 here? F of x1 is equal to 1 by x1 is equal to 1 by x2. That implies x1 is equal to x2 on making cross multiplication. So we proved it, f is 1 1 function. F is 1 1 function or injunction. Now we are going to check as a onto function. Onto means for every y belongs to B. That means for every element in set P, there exists at least one pre-image. Set B means codomain, students. So it is mapping from N to R naught. So R naught we have infinite elements, all real numbers, negatives, positives, all exist. But a negative number, one number, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ -2, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್? if I will write 1 by -2 because that is in f of x at range. 1 by -2 is equal to x, correct or not? See here, students, in R naught is nothing but B. According to the onto definition, for every y belongs to B, that means for every element in the set B, there exists at least one pre-image in A. Each and every element of the codomain, there must be one pre-image in domain. Suppose I am taking R naught is in codomain, correct, right? -2 is in codomain, correct or not? Let -2 is codomain means -2 should be associated some element. It is also in range. That means f of x is equal to -2. What is f of x value in the problem? 1 by x is equal to -2. By taking cross multiplication, 1 by -2 is equal to x. X means what? Domain. What is domain here? Natural number. But 1 by -2 not exist in natural number. Correct or not, students? 1 by -2 not exist in natural number. That means there exists one number. Let I am taking one number. Like that we have infinite numbers. There exist infinite numbers without pre-image. All negative numbers, all negative real numbers, we don't have the pre-images. Why? Because domain is natural number. They are always positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on only. Correct or not? That's why it is not onto function. Like that we can explain. Otherwise, I told you in short way, range is equal to codomain. What is range here? F of x is equal to 1 by x. Now, what we have to substitute in x place? All natural numbers. Natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 you can substitute here. What you will get here? 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4 and so on. These numbers only you will get, correct or not? Correct, students? Right. But codomain is equal to R naught. Is these two numbers are equal? No. Why? Because R naught contains fractions, decimals, rational numbers, irrational numbers, integers, whole numbers, natural numbers. But it is only fractions. No negative numbers are here. -1, -2, -3, -4. Those are all belongs to in real numbers only. Non-negative real numbers except 0. Now we can say that range is not equal to codomain. Hence f is not onto function. So same problem. You see the students, when we will change the domain, it is 1, 1 but not onto. Here it is 1, 1 as well as onto. That's why very, very important for domains and codomains. If you change the domain, automatically problem will be changes. Clear, students? So like this, we have to analyze the problem 1, 1 function and onto function. We can analyze by using graph, we can analyze by using definition, we can analyze by giving examples also. Clear, students? Here it is not onto. You want to give with an example, you can give with an example. What is example? Just now I told -2 is belongs to codomain, correct or not? Why? Because codomain is R naught. So -2 is equal to f of x. F of x is equal to given 1 by x. If x is equal to -1 by 2, -1 by 2 is not belongs to natural numbers. Why it is not belongs to natural numbers? So what is the necessity to take natural numbers? Why? Because x indicates domain. Domain is natural numbers only must. but minus 1 by 2 does not exist in natural number. That's why it is not onto function. Like that you can give with an example also. Otherwise you can write codomain is not equal to range. We don't call it is a onto function. Clear students? Onto other name is surjunction, one other name is injunction. Like this you have to analyze the problem.